Hello friends, today I am here to review Zero Touch Agency by Rosni Dahl and Vipul Garg, launching on 24th August 2020. My name is Sid and let's talk about what Zero Touch Agency is all about. Now, as we all know that the biggest concern right now across the world is COVID-19. People are under a lot of stress and hardly anyone is stepping out of their house unless it is very essential. Businesses are finding it extremely hard to survive and they are laying off employees and cutting down on cost just to stay afloat. So what is the solution to these problems? As entrepreneurs, we need to always be looking for solutions, and Zero Touch Agency has come up with a brilliant solution during this hour of crisis. It will help you capitalize on the current market situation, and it is an extremely innovative product which aims to help freelancers, marketers, agencies and consultants to white label their solution at a small one-time fee and then bring that solution into the market. Zero Touch Agency aims to help small business owners, shops and restaurants to follow social distancing in a better and more effective manner, yet help them grow their business. Zero Touch Agency basically allows you to build a scannable QR code and which you can send to your customer and then deliver the product that they order. Now let's see what Zero Touch Agency looks like from inside. When you purchase this product, this is how the dashboard of Zero Touch Agency looks like. There are a few simple steps of using this Zero Touch Agency effectively. The first step is to add your client's products and add-ons, which you can either do it yourself or you can hire a VA to do it for you. For this, you need to click on Catalog and then click on Create Catalog. Once you do that, you can add all the products that the client has ordered by filling up the details here and uploading an image here. In the next step, you need to download the scannable code. For this, you need to click on Stations, and this is where you can get a QR code for all the products that you have added in the first step. This code will automatically be linked by your catalog, so you don't have to worry about that. Another good thing is that the station feature is that you can generate multiple QR codes for different spots, as you can see here. In the next step, you need to deliver the product to the client, and after all the setup is done, you need to click on Snapshot. Once you click on Snapshot option, both you and your client can see how Zero Touch is impacting their business in a positive manner. Under the order section, the client can see all the pending as well as fulfilled orders. Now that will help them know how Zero Touch Agency is helping their business grow. Now here are a few key advantages of using Zero Touch Agency. It's extremely easy to use and even people with no technical skills can use it. It's fast and bug-free and fully customizable. You do not need to have any programming language to use Zero Touch Agency. Under Getting Started and Help sections in the dashboard, you can get all the necessary information that you need to use Zero Touch Agency. A small disadvantage of Zero Touch Agency is that some of the features are not available with the front end of the product, and you need to purchase the upsells to be able to use the tool with all its features. But you can even take advantage of it without buying the upsells with the limited features that are available with the front end of the product. The best part about Zero Touch Agency is you can white label it and sell it as your own product, and there are no restrictions when it comes to customization. The dashboard is really amazing and displays all the necessary data. It is not hard to sell to local business owners because that is what they need the most in this hour of crisis. Now, my final conclusion about Zero Touch Agency as a product is that it is a complete solution for small business owners and even big business owners who are struggling to grow their business and grow their profits. Zero Touch Agency is a powerful product with a really simple and user-friendly interface, and I see a potential for anyone to make a lot of money using this tool. The best part is the price of this product is extremely affordable considering the benefits that it provides. The product sells for $47, and that's a one-time fee that you need to pay, and you can use the software for your whole life. It also comes with a 30-day refund guarantee in case you are not satisfied with the performance of it. If you buy Zero Touch Agency through my link, which is available in the description of this video, I am offering some great bonuses along with it. The bonuses that I am offering are, my first bonus is a bonus tutorial called Bang Bang Profits, where you can learn about how you can earn more profits from your online business. My next bonus is Free Traffic Frenzy, where you can learn how to drive free traffic to your links and to your website. My next bonus is the Breakthrough, and my next bonus is Software Business in a Box. You can get all these bonuses absolutely free, which adds great value to an already high quality product, Zero Touch Agency. Click the link in the description of this video to get Zero Touch Agency and get all of my bonuses along with it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.